Hello, today I'll show you how to make formulas in Google Sheets. Step 1, understand the basics. Google Sheets can perform calculations using simple formulas. Every formula in Google Sheets must start with an equal sign. Step 2, use cell references, common operators, and edit formulas. Instead of typing numbers directly, use cell references to make formulas dynamic. Example, select cell D6, type plus, then select cell E6. The formula becomes equal sign D6 plus E6. Press enter to calculate the result. Common operators, you can use division equal sign D3, S3. Multiplication equal sign D4 asterisk E4. Subtraction equals sign D5 minus E5. To change a formula, double-click the cell with the formula, modify it as needed, press enter to apply the changes. Now you know how to use simple formulas in Google Sheets. They help you calculate data automatically and update as your data changes. If you found this video helpful, done a step, forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get updates on our latest tutorials. Thank you for watching.